All right, here we are in the Park MGM High Limit Room. We're back. It's been a while since I've actually been in here, and triple double dollars is gonna be the first thing I play while I'm in here today. So $5 denomination, 2 credits, $10 a smack. It's a fun one. Someone right around the corner just hit 16 grand on double gold. Machine that I'd never hit on, and they hit 16 grand. It was a red 7 double with 2 more red 7s. Pretty good hit for them, right? All right, so let's do this. Potential on triple double dollars, but I've never gotten a monster hit. 1800 is my best hit on triple double dollars. So there's so many opportunities to get bigger hits like that right there. Holy crap. But I play it because I want to keep trying. I do like it. Maybe I like it just because it teases me so much. I mean, it always looks like it's about ready to hit. That's fun and annoying at the same time. Right now, nothing. It's a straight take. I've not gotten anything back. Come on, come alive. There we go. 10. Thanks, Sherry. Oh, come on. Oh, there's the triple. That'd have been my best hit ever on this machine. I've done that with the blue 7s with the triple, so that was the 1800. But with the red 7s, it'd be 2400. Come on, do it. Oh. Yeah, like I said, it's always seems like it's close. Constantly teasing. Alright, 10 more. Can't survive on just the small things, small wins though, unless they get consistent. triple double dollars. I like you, but right now you are not being kind. Come on, not even just small random hits. Come on. That's what I got, was the cherry. I don't know, thank you, but could have been so much better. Thanks again, Cherry. I would have done it. Hit it. Oh. Another cherry we'll take. Finally, my best hit is 20 so far. I'm happy to get it, but that's not great. Let's do that. Come on. Or that. Hit it. Oh. Those blues keep flashing. They're just not coming together. Come on. Hit it. Oh. Man, come on, triple bars. All right, 500 in, 0 out on triple double dollars on this one. So that's my first play at Park MGM today, and hopefully that's not a sign. Hopefully we can turn around on the next one. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you've not. I appreciate you. Appreciate the support. Appreciate you watching. Let's go Handpay. All right, I got $200 in the machine. What does that mean? It means it's double or bust, and I'm playing Lightning Link, something I rarely ever play. But when I play double or bust, I put it in a machine that I either rarely play or super volatile. So hey, why not? What's the goal? Get to 400 bucks, go from 40 credits to 80 credits and pull out and run. Or the chances of bust can very well happen. But hey, why not go for one where you get 100 grand or 8 grand? 500's the minor, 100 bucks the mini. So I just got to get lucky and get, 6 of those chips. I don't play this very often. As you see on my channel, you rarely ever see it, but every once in a while we do. So I'm betting $5 a smack on this. My typical double the bus, I'll do the $5, so it's $10 denomination, or a $10 bet because it's 2 credits, $5 denomination. I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit more play out of this double or bust by doing $5 instead of the $10 bet on this. Won $3.50. That's not exciting. But hey, you can play double or bust also. Do it on the dollar version, right? If you don't want to do it on the 5 or higher. Put in 40 bucks. Your goal is to get to 80, right? 40 credits to 80 credits. It's a lot of fun. It adds a game with inside a game. Also, hopefully it gets you to branch out, maybe play a few things you don't typically play, just so you can see what other slots are doing. And then also, potentially, if you're playing something that's a little more volatile, yeah, odds are you're going to lose it. But man, if you hit You know, those machines, you can hit monster hits. You know, double diamond and triple diamond, can you make some okay money on them? Yeah, but the top payout is nothing compared to the top payouts as some of the other more volatile games, especially like this, 100 grand, right, on a $5 bet. For that $100, I mean, for $100,000, I'd have to be playing like $100 double diamond, you know, and I'm definitely not going to be doing $200 a smack on double diamond. I mean, I've done it a couple times, but not something I'm going to sit down and play very often. All right, come on. I need a free spin. The free games, I mean, or 3 more of those. Oh, man. That was $300 right there. That would have done it if I'd have gotten 3 more coins. Come on. Poker chips, whatever you want to call them. Need 3 briefcases or the poker chips, 6 of them. Do you guys play Lightning? Well, this is called Lightning Cash. Basically Lightning Link or whatever. That or the Dragon Link. Don't play them very often. I did play them every once in a while. Had some fun with them. Definitely got some Handpays on them, but just they, you know, when I first started playing them, actually pretty well with them, but then it just turned into just all bad. No luck on them at all. Hey, we got the bonus. Grateful for that. That's awesome. Alright, so we got a bonus feature here. Gonna push the play. Alright, here we go. 6 free games. Come on, gotta get Jack at the end. No, that didn't work out. Alright, that's what we want, is that poker chip, because then it's a game with inside a game, right? You gotta get 6 more of those poker chips to win 100 grand. That'd be a crazy option, but I don't see that happening on this one. All right, love to see the mini drop. Couple minis on this double or bust. All right, that's $100. That one works. Come on. Come on, do that $100 one more time. All right, don't make this last spin. Drop a poker chip. No. All right, free spin's complete, but it's still going. We still got more. 165. We are almost at our double goal. Can this free spin finish it out for us? Come on, one more poker chip. Gotta get another poker chip, please. No. Or a briefcase. Poker chip or briefcase is what we want. Come on, there we go. We got it again. I can't believe it. We got it twice in the same free game. All right. Let's do this. All right, sorry. My hands were full. I couldn't push the button. Holy cow, that's a $250 ball that just dropped. Are you kidding me? On a dime? I mean, it's a $5 bet, but that just doubled our bust. We're over. I cannot believe that ball just dropped. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Another one? No way. That's why I do this double or bust, guys, because you just never know. You play things you don't normally play, and you can get crazy lucky like this. Fill that hole in. There's nothing showing, nothing at all, but let's get crazy lucky. Fill it in. It'd be 100 grand if it filled it in, right? But we'll take it. Check this out. I cannot believe this. On a $5 bet, just sitting here, trying to play my double or bust game. And what do we get? Boom, 250, 300, another 250. Check that out, $615, right? Plus what we'd already got. So we got $818 on that bonus. All right, I love it. Let's go Handpay on that, right? Okay. So that's why I do this double or bust game, right? I put in 200 bucks. My goal was to get to 400. If you put in $40, your goal is to get to 80, and then you were done, right? And I'm gonna take it. Watch, cash out. I don't need to push that button anymore. I don't play this game very often, but very fun on these double or bust when you come out like that. That is a weird looking ticket. The numbers are like extra small. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this session, a double or bust. I know a lot of you guys don't like Lightning Link because when I do post my videos of it, I don't get a lot of views. But if you do like Lightning Link or those type of things, let me know and watch them so that way I know you do like them and I might play them a little more often. But when I do play them and the view count's not there, I'm not going to keep playing them. So anyways, appreciate your support. If you're not subscribed, please do so. I'd really appreciate it. Let's go Handpay.